So then I would do 5.5 times 8.
Calculating perfection. These 5th grade math whizzes at Red Cedar Elementary School earned a perfect score on every round of a national math competition and finished tied for first place in the Continental Math League with 2 other schools.
And it makes me feel happy because we worked on it a long time and the problems are really challenging and we improved since 4th grade, and to see that first place feels really good.
This is the first time in the history of the school that students earned a perfect score in all 5 meets.
These kids kind of set history for our school. They're just very strong, math-minded, have great number sense. They're also a very competitive group, but in a competitive way that they encourage each other to do their best, and they build each other up, and so they have a lot of friendly competition within the group.
During each round, students work alone to answer 6 challenging math questions in 30 minutes.
They're not like normal questions like 5 times 5 or 10 times 10. It's more like word problems, and you have to use like certain methods to answer.
30 kids are on the team, and the school submits the top 6 scores for each round. 3 of the students earned a perfect score in all 5 meets.
It makes me feel kind of shocked and excited because, like, to know that I'm one of very few people that actually got 6 every single time, and like it's just insane to think that I'm getting it right every single time, over and over.
As the competition went on, the kids worked hard to make sure their perfect score streak wouldn't end.
And so I feel like we had some momentum, but we also were kind of scared and we didn't want to lose it. And every time we got exactly 6 sixes, so we didn't have enough to spare any time. So if we didn't get one of our 6s, we wouldn't have had a perfect score and been in first.
Everyone practices a lot on the questions, and you like get the steps and stuff, and it will lead you to the answers easier.
About 100 schools across the nation participate in the Continental Math League. It starts in November and ends in March. Red Cedar tied for first with a school from California and Virginia. At Red Cedar Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11, so 11 over